This is Cool Trains of Montreal, and I'm here at Highway 20 waiting for a bus on the 211 at Pine Beach. And here we have a westbound CN train looking across the highway. 16th of February 2022 at about 11:20 p.m. Sorry, 12:20 p.m. And down there is Hobby Junction. I went there, talked to my friend Tony about fixing a rail diesel car that I had. So I'm just waiting now for my bus to come back towards Dorval. That's the Pine Beach station there. Here comes the GPU, I think. After all these aluminum cars. It may not actually be a DPU since there was 3 locomotives on the front. Kansas City Southern Auto Racks. Just yesterday I saw Kansas City Southern locomotives in Montreal area. First time seeing that. Hope to see more soon. Very colorful Southern Bell, red and yellow and black. Very cool. And that's the last car there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.